And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said the India-US friendship would be an integral part of India's development journey for the next 25 years. The Prime Minister said this during a virtual interaction with US President Joe Biden last evening. Modi said India and the US are natural partners as they are two of the biggest democracies of the world. He said the talks were being held at a time when the situation in Ukraine remains worrisome. India placed importance on the safety of civilian population in Ukraine and the uninterrupted supply of humanitarian aid to them, including medicines and relief materials. Modi stated that the recent killing of innocent civilians in Bucha city of Ukraine were very worrying.
फॉर्मेट में मिलेंगे उससे पहले हम डेमोक्रेसीज कैन डिलीवर भारत और अमेरिका की पार्टनरशिप की सफलता इस स्लोगन को सार्थक करने का सबसे उत्तम जरिया है। मुझे विश्वास है कि भारत की अगले 25 सालों की विकास यात्रा में अमेरिका के साथ हमारी मित्रता एक अभिन्न अंग रहेगी।